Hello, in front of me I've got Defender FreeMotion B571. In this video I'll show you how to change source. You can select source between Bluetooth and SD card. You don't have to click anything if you want to select aux. Simply connect your smartphone or other device to headphones via aux cable. If you want to change mode between Bluetooth and SD card, press and hold mode button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.